Welcome to Smart Kid Channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Hello, friends. I am a starfish. I live in the ocean and the sea. Today, I want to introduce you my friends. Come with me. Jellyfish, a wobbly, see-through sea creature with long, stinging tentacles. Jellyfish. Turtle, a gentle animal with a hard shell that swims in the ocean. Turtle. Octopus, a soft sea animal with 8 arms that can squirt ink to hide. Octopus. Shrimp, a small sea creature with a hard shell and 2 big claws. Shrimp. Seahorse, a tiny fish that looks like a horse and swims upright. Seahorse. Fish. They live in the seas and oceans in different colors and sizes. Fish. Squid, a fast-swimming sea creature with 10 arms and big eyes. Squid. A big, gentle sea animal with wide, wing-like fins that looks like it's flying underwater. Manta ray. Clam, a small sea animal with a hard shell that lives in the sand and hides inside when scared. Clam. Crab, a small sea creature with a hard shell and 2 big claws. Crab. Seal, a playful sea animal with flippers that loves to swim, dive, and rest on rocks or ice. It makes funny sounds and can clap its flippers. Seal. Dolphin, a friendly and smart sea animal that loves to jump and play in the water. Dolphin. Dolphin. Whale, the biggest animal in the ocean that sings underwater songs. Whale. Shark, a big fish with sharp teeth that swims fast in the ocean. Shark. Shark. Penguin. A bird that cannot fly but swims very well in the ocean. Penguin.